Welcome to my Metric Maths Mate Easy YouTube channel, presented by trinomial, fundamental algebra, vocabulary of terms, simplify or multiply or find a product. So I explained to you in the previous videos the monomial, the binomial, and trinomial. So when you multiply like a monomial, so A times another monomial, you get a monomial. Yeah. So A times B equals to AB. So it's monomial times monomial gives you a monomial. AP is 110. Even though it's two factors, yeah, two factors, A factor A and factor B, but it's a product. So this product is a monomial, yeah. So simplify, multiply, or find the product of A times B, AB. So sometimes, okay, this is 1, 2. Say we got a monomial. Let me write in full. Monomial times a binomial. So monomial will be like A, 3 times. Binomial is 2 times. So what do you call them? Call them B plus C. So what do you get? Yeah, you use the distributive law. So you multiply A by B, and then you multiply A by C. Okay? So we get the binomial. So when you multiply a monomial by a binomial, you get a binomial. Sometimes it's difficult basically to multiply like this. Yeah. So when you start with the binomial and then you multiply by a monomial, it's a problem. So I always prefer that you change this to this way. So take A and start with it first. Anyway, doesn't matter. B times A is AB plus C times A is AC. The sequence, the what you call how you write them, doesn't matter. AC is the same. This is the same as BA. This is equal to BA plus CA. The same thing, doesn't matter. Yeah. So okay. But you must note now that these are terms. Yeah. B plus. If we have A times B times C. Yeah. This is a monomial by a monomial because this is a monomial. The product of two terms is a monomial. So this you'll get ABC. Or if you multiply A times, I say B divided by C. Yeah, this is 110 by 110. Monomial by monomial to get A, B over C. So don't make a mistake of multiplying the top and the bottom, yeah, because this is 110. This is 110, yeah. So we multiply each term and then what it goes. So binomial and a monomial are two different things. So B over C is 110, so it's a monomial. And then when you multiply monomial by trinomial, yeah. So monomial by trinomial. So when you multiply polynomial by trinomial, example, so binomial A times, keep it simple, B plus C plus D. What do you get? You will get, okay, you have to multiply each term. So it's 1 times 3, so 3 terms. So A times B plus A times C. You distribute A into the bracket plus A times B. So you get a trinomial. Maximum. You're saying sometimes you get when you add more than find that you put binomial anyway. But you get a maximum of 3 times, not more. And then when you multiply, it's not 2, it's 3, yeah? So take out the number. When you multiply now, a binomial by a binomial. So you should get 2 times 2, you should get 4 terms maximum, 4 terms max. Right, so A plus B times C plus D. No, maybe, yeah, that's it. This is equals to, so left each term will multiply, each term in the first binomial will multiply each term on the second binomial. So we take the A, must multiply it into C plus D, yeah? And then we take the B, C plus, because it's a positive B, we multiply it into C plus D. And then this gives you AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Yeah, so yeah, sometimes you get confusing because people, they don't know that they've got the answer. They start looking for the common factor here, but we are going to do that in the next video. So, and then last but not least, oh no, let me use maybe just use the same number. So here multiply A plus B by A plus B, yeah? So what you get A in the first binomial times A plus B of the second binomial, and then you get plus B of the first binomial, because each term here must multiply each term there. B times A plus B. So what do you get? A times A, get A squared plus AB plus B times A, get AB plus B times B, B squared. Now you can see these two terms are similar, so you can just put them together. So this one is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So it's 3 terms instead of 4. So that's why I said 4 terms maximum. And then the last one. Is it the last one? Yeah, when you multiply a binomial, and but we follow the same process. So what is nice about math? So follow the same process. So multiply a binomial by a trinomial. What you get 2 times 3. You get 6 terms max. Yeah. So A B times C plus D plus F. This is equal to, okay? Each term must multiply all the terms here. So C plus D plus F plus B. And multiply each term there. C plus D plus F. This is equal to A times C plus A times D plus A times F plus here B times C plus B times D plus B times F, which is your answer. So you've got 6 terms minimum. Yeah? Not minimum, maximum, sorry. So that is your binomial simplifying, this simplifying, multiplying, or finding a product. Now, I'm going to do the reverse in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Hope you like the brother. So to like and then share with others. This makes make easy YouTube channel.